Hi, welcome back. So, second part of the video, we reboot it, we go to Carli, we go to Carli 6, and we build it again. This time, SDM is not installed, nor is the service. So, let's see, that's the one we need. So, arrow up gives you the options you've done if you typed before in the terminal. Always interesting if you're too lazy like me. Arrow up. So these guys are all coming from the Archiso. Well, actually we could combine that with this video. So let's go to another desktop, or I don't know if it's gonna be recording the first desktop. I believe so, but not sure. So let's be safe. So you do your stuff here and we'll have a look at Archiso. What I need is the following. I do a super F5. It's gonna launch melt. Melt can compare a file or a directory. I wanna compare a directory. The one I'm looking for is in other locations on the computer somewhere, in user, in share, in Archiso, configs, relang. That one I wanna see. That's the new Archiso. That's where the location is. And then our own. Our own is in Carli 6. Open. Compare. Don't want to see the same thing, so that's not blue. We do want to see all the differences. Now the work thing is us building an ISO, so that's something we skip. The README is just some text. The build sh we need to take a look at. These are all scripts from us. And the packages and the pacman.conf. The packages I am interested in. Are there differences in packages? We can already see things, and yes, of course, there are packages differences in the sense that at the bottom you decide if you want to have Plasma or Meta or Mate or XFCE and or, right? 16 of them. Now, he's building at this point in time, that's why it's slow, creating 4.0 file system. If you're in this phase, everything slows down. The computer is working like hell. Control-Shift-Escape. It's going all through the roof, 100% of power is being used. CPU, 99% of power is used. And everything slows down a little bit because it's building a 600, 700 megabyte ISO. We'll see. There were some communications on the chatter on ArchLinux saying we have a bloated ISO. Not really, more joke than anything. But here it is, 652 megabyte, which is nothing really. Okay, so we have an ISO, so that's good. We can check that out later. Is there any difference in here? No. All the packages that are in the Archiso are also here. So the libatomic thing that we've got rid on ArcoLinux is gone here already. So that's cool. Fine. So that's one thing to check, and we're waiting. Even now, after the building, it takes a while to recover from the build. So remember again, this is the original Archiso. That's Carli 6. We have changed things in here. We have made the configuration, the auto login for SDDM. We've added GWheel. We've changed the host name. It's not ArchLinux, right? It's not Archiso. It's Carli. Some changes. We've made a customization of the AI root or Archiso root file system. Multi-user task target, and we say graphical, please. We want to have something graphical to look at. And these are some name changes, ArchLinux, CarliLinux, and so on. You compare them, splash things. Like I said, the work folder is unimportant. That's where we built everything. This is an important one, the build sh. So we do the cleanup script. That's if there are no folders, that's when it says there's an error, right? But there's no error, just can't clean it up because nothing is there. is gonna shroot things and change ownership to root and to the group as well. And then the names, of course, we take other names. We want to be verbose, so we want to have more information, -v. And oh, nice, nothing else. So nothing for us to see here. Our script, packages, we've done those. It doesn't. It's always good to check and check again. And we have a Carli repo. So of course, ArchLinux doesn't have a Carli repo. We've added our own. And then we have the setup. So we're good. ArchIso has been compared. There is nothing to do, and all is fine. Which leaves us with a super F7. We have Carli, not this guy. Don't need it. I thought we had to do it, but we don't. We do need Carli, well, let's call him 6, right? I know it's still a copy paste, but let's see. Oh, Eric, why are you doing this? You don't have to do this. Oh, sorry, guys. Let's go for Carli. And in 6, we go to out, and that's what I need to do. This is what we just created. I open it up, and we have Arch, and we have the package list. So this is Carli. And let's see if we have to do something. We compare these two guys, and then we're really sure. We already compared ArchIso, but even I like to check out this as well. Now, the numbers behind it is not important. You see lots of lines, but there are actually not lots of lines. It's just a number. So 1916, 3.1 and 2.2, that's it. This is Carli, this is today, this is ArchLinux, this is 23 days ago. That's why. New versions, that's it. Is there anything green? There is nothing green in here. Basically, we can say that this whole exercise was futile. There is no changes in ArchIso. There is no changes in the packages between Carli and ArchLinux. Basically, there was nothing to do, right? But nevertheless, you have to check it. All right, so that's cool. Now let's include also the building of our actual Carli, and unmount this guy. So Carli back in here, Carli 6. Remember what we've changed. We've changed a few things. A root fs, root, customize, and we have to ask SDDM, please kick in. Please be there next time I boot. Atom is not a good way to do it, but this guy is. That's saved. All right, and the other thing we've changed is the packages. All the way down. Oh, we were all the way down. So base and base development, Git, Firefox, Carli. Ooh, we need to change the calamares, but let's make a separate video for that. Okay, that's it, right? Again, guys, if you say Plasma is not my thing, all that's required is, well, get rid of everything then, but use LightDM instead of SDDM. Let's keep everything here. So just type xfc4 and xfc4 goodies, the cheat list. And this is another video, so let me show you the cheat list. Download it from ArcoLinux.info, documents, download. I deleted it. So it's there, and then you know what to type. Mate extra. Of course, there is internet, so simple as that. So Arch wiki, how to get xfce on my system by typing 2 words. Is that so simple as that? Yes. xfce4 and xfce4 goodies. You have a desktop. Mate extra, you have a desktop. Deeping extra, you have a desktop. And it's all conveniently put inside a cheat sheet. Download, documents, cheat sheet, download. 6,929 downloaded. Nice. So here it is. Awesome. Vicious, BSPWM, Cinnamon, Deeping Extra, GNOME Extra, Helpsluft WM, i3 Gaps, JWM, LXQT. Read it, type it. It's in there. You have your own ISO with another desktop. But let's stick with Plasma. All right, you're out. Almost installed it. So we're ready to build again. This one, for some reason, it says here we have to build a package. Did we not build a package? I don't know. It has been too long to see. No, there is no package in here for yay bin. That's too bad. Let's make then a video for that as well. And yeah, let's do that separately. So let's make yay bin first, then build our ISO and go from there. All right, everything is ready to be built, but let's maybe first get our calamares in, and then yay in, and then we have a proper ISO to build. Okay, that will be article number 2.